Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a really quick makeup routine. This is actually a makeup routine that I've been doing a lot lately. It's kind of been my go-to look because it looks like I tried, but it's really easy. It's using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions. I've been loving this little palette. Can you sit down? Can I put you down? Thank you. This little palette, like, it is so gorgeous, so just want to bite it. But it's been one of my favorite. Like I said, I've been grabbing it because, you guys know that I wake up real late for work. So it's just a quick thing that I can grab, throw some color on the eyes and go. I added a wing today because, I had time, and I used to do wings all of the time. I used to not leave the house without a wing. Well, 2 wings. And I just stopped doing it for some reason. So I've been really getting into looks. I've been gravitating towards looks that have liquid eyeliner in them. And yeah, so I threw in a big old fat dramatic wing. We aren't doing anything tonight. We're probably just going to Postmates dinner, which, I told you guys I live an exciting life. So yeah. So if you want to see how I did all this, my go-to January 2018 look, then just keep watching. Okay. So starting off by priming the eyes, I'm using my Smashbox 24-hour primer. I've been liking this. It's a little bit more hydrating than my Urban Decay. And then going in with my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions, I'm taking the lightest color in the palette, which looks really yellow, but it's actually a perfect base for setting a primer and getting ready for other colors. And taking that tan shade in the middle, I'm going to use that as our transition shade today. It's really, really light, so I usually go in with the peachy shade next to it. And then I add that to the transition area. I don't know if these shadows have names. I don't think they do. If they do, I don't know. But, yeah, whatever. Brown and peach, that works. And then going in with the reddish brown shade, I'm taking that on a flat shader brush and putting that all over my lid. Really messily, which is why I like this look. It's super easy. And then taking the same brush I use for the transition shades, just blending that out so it looks a little bit softer and not as sloppy. And then going in with the 2 dark shades right there. It's like a dark burgundy and a dark brown. I'm just adding that to the outer corner. Nothing too sharp, just kind of giving a little dimension to the outer edges. Although I do drag it a little bit in the crease line. Just to deepen out the eye, make it a little bit more dramatic. Then I just clean up the edges with a makeup wipe before I go in to my matte liquid liner. And I don't know why, I've been really digging wings again, guys. I just, gotta get better at doing it on camera. But you get the gist. I do it the way pretty much everyone does it. This is my favorite liner ever. It's so pretty. Going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm just going to prep my eyelashes for falsies. Very unattractively, might I add. Ugh. Ugh. And then for lashes, I'm using the style L by Coco Lashes, which is my current fave. And then for face, I'm going in with my No Pore Blend Primer. Still my favorite, by the way. I'm putting that all over. And then for my nose, I'm using my Professional. Just on my nose and a little bit under my eyes. And then taking the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Serum. I'm putting that on my face. I've been really liking this serum, guys. I was super surprised. It does have a slight scent to it, so keep that in mind. But it doesn't bug me. Going in with the Maybelline 24-hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm just putting that all over. You guys, this foundation, I'm so obsessed with it. I'm so obsessed with it. Look how nice it is. Anyway, the Naked Concealer now under my eyes. I'm going to put it on my forehead, my nose, under the nose because I get really red right there. And then also on the sides of my mouth. Looks crazy. Yes, looks crazy. And I'm just blending that out with my Beauty Blender. Per usual. Ugh, seriously, I can't get over the foundation. It even hid that horrible pimple that I have on my forehead trying to ruin my life, but And then setting the under eye, I'm taking the Ulta Banana Powder, and I'm just setting that concealer. I really like the banana powder because I feel like it also brightens up my eyes, and I've been really tired lately, so I feel like they're a little bit darker. And then going in with the Patrick Star powder. I really like this powder, but I like it more to set my whole face. So that is what I am doing today. I don't like it really for under eye powder. So I think it looks nicer all over the face and actually performs better that way. So keep that in mind. Then taking my Park Avenue Princess palette, I'm taking the two middle shades, which are the cool shades. I'm just contouring out the face, my normal areas, the cheekbones, the nose, the chin area, you know, get the little slim effect, trying to help me lose some weight even though I haven't lost anything yet because I'm slacking. Who's with me? Nobody? Just me? And then I was interrupted because, you know, it's okay. And then taking the MAC Patrick Star powder again, I'm just cleaning up that contour a little bit. I don't let it sit too long because my skin's been riding the struggle bus lately. It's really patchy. I don't know. Taking that yellow shade in the Park Avenue Princess palette, I'm just going down the center of my nose, and I do put a little bit under my eyes again just to brighten it up. I really love this palette, guys. It does everything. It's beautiful. And then wiping away the Patrick Star powder, getting ready for bronzing of the face. Going in with that warm shade called Angle. I don't know why it's called Angle. It's warm. And I'm using that to bronze up my face. Look how pretty these powders are. They blend so nice, so easily. I hardly have to put in any work. They are the best. I'm obsessed with this palette. I've probably gotten, it's hard to put it down. Going in with the Sweet Peach palette, which I'm struggling with as well. I'm taking the blush in the center, which smells so good. I didn't think I liked this palette because I didn't think it had much pigmentation, which it really doesn't. But it's subtle enough where I think it's soft and pretty, so I've been using it a lot lately. Taking Forever Lit from my Anastasia Nicole Guerrero kit. I'm putting that on my cheekbones. I love Forever Lit. It's probably my favorite shade in there. I'm taking the highlighter from the Peach palette. I'm putting that over it and just dragging it up towards the temple. I'm going with Forever Lit again. I'm using that as an inner corner highlight because look how bright it is. Like, whew, that will wake anybody up. It's my favorite though. It's shocking, but it's so pretty. And then going back in with that copper tone and the middle tan shade. We're just going to finish out the lower half of the eyes. Just slapping it on there. Like I said, this look is so easy, so simple, and it's really quick. So I've been doing this a lot because I'm always late. And then my Pixie spray is still my #1, although it's always sold out at Target. And then I think this is a L'Oreal mascara. I got it in my Sephora Play box. I don't know, but I'm using that for my lower lashes. Yes. Again, very unattractively. There's no attractive way to put on mascara. I'm taking this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade He Thinks He's So Macho. Putting that for my lip today. I really like this shade. I forgot I had it. I found it in a drawer. See, that's how I am. Gotta clean it up a little bit and take out those rollers. Okay guys, that was the look. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, it's been my go-to routine. And if you guys noticed, I threw in this baby to my pre-foundation routine. This is the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Serum. It's supposed to brighten and tighten, which you know I'm all about that. It says it's an oil-free Pearluminous formula. Anyway, so I've been switching back and forth between this and also the Algenist Reveal Concentrated Luminizing Drops. I just really, really love the way it makes my foundation look. I mean, I've been using the Maybelline 24-hour foundation nonstop. I've been forcing myself to use other foundations because I don't want to get like my skin to get used to it and then it's starting not to look as nice. But it looks so good, guys. It looks so good. So, but yeah, I've been switching back and forth between these two, and I think it makes the foundation look even better. So, if you guys are interested, this is new, and this is awesome. So, yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!
Hold up.